Okay, we're about to start. Quorum naman to, Sir Tarts. Okay, 47th regular session of the 21st City Council is now called to order. Invocation by City Councilor Ali Gaspi, followed by the singing Lupang Hinirang and the Cagayan de Oro March. Please rise.
Sa ngalan samahan, sa anak, sa Espiritu Santo. Amen. Amahan namong langit nun, kami mapainubsanon nga magpasalamat kanimo sa gasa sa kinabuhi, sa kahimsog ug sa tanang panalangin nga imong gihatag kanamo. Ginoo, giyahi ang among mga hunahuna aron ang among matag desisyon mapuno sa kaalam, katarungan ug gugma. Tabangi kami nga mahimong matinudanon mutabang mulihok alang sa kayuhan sa tanan. Kining tanan among gipangayo sa imong balaan nga ngalan. Amen. Sa ngalan samahan sa anak sa Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang mag-ibig, hewas ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang binirang, kuyak ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisigil, sa nanagang tutok sa simoy at sa langit ko pagaw, ay hinatang tulad, awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nag-iinip, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magtitigil. Lumalang araw ng walhagit pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang hindi kaya ng pagkay mga amin, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Please be seated. Mr. Secretary, please do the roll call.
Honorable City Vice Mayor Jocelyn B. Rodriguez, Presiding Officer. For the First District Councilors, Honorable Desiree Ann Imdahino, Honorable Roger G. Abaday, Honorable Juancho R. Pascual, Honorable Agapito Heriberto G. Swan, Honorable George Christopher Q. Goking, Honorable Moreno Y. Daba IV, Honorable Alpi Ligaspi Sr., Honorable Amy Rose P. Moreno. For the 2nd District Councilors, Honorable Ibuna Yasin B. Imano, on leave, Honorable Maximo T. Rodriguez III, Honorable Paulo Nicolo Gaani, Honorable Jolene Mercedes El Balaba, on leave, Honorable Yanlam S. Lim, Honorable Enrico D. Salcedo, Honorable Hilda Ong Ogo, Honorable Edgar S. Cabanlas. For the ex-officio members, Honorable Marlo L. Tabak, Liga ng mga Barangay President, Honorable Kenneth Jan D. Sakala, City SK Federation President, and Honorable Dr. Roberto P. Cabaring, IPMR. There is quorum, Madam Presiding Officer.
Quorum is hereby certified. Mayong hapon kanatong tanan, honorable members of 21st City Council. Of course, our friends from media who are here and those who are watching us right now via live stream. Atong mga bisita. First of all, thank you very much for your warm greetings. It's nice to be home. And I feel so flattered. I feel so happy with the messages of your greetings on my birthday. Daghang kay salamat sa inyong tanan. And of course, we are celebrating the birthday of our very own Councilor Kenneth Sakala. So before you sing a song for me, let us first sing Kenneth according ni sa hierarchy sila, age or whatever. So, who will lead the song for Councilor Kenneth? Oh, Councilor, nag-volunteer gina, palangga gyud ka ni Councilor Gigi Go. So, Councilor Gigi Go, and who will lead my singing of my birthday song? Majority. Yes. Anyway, please stand up. Anyway,
Good afternoon, birthday girl. Unahon sa namo si Konsehal Kenneth. Ako ra ba ning favorite kay batanon pa? Sige, together we'll sing. Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kenneth.
One more time, faster.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Birthday na happy pa.
Happy birthday again. Jubilee, may the majority.
Madam Chair, members of the City Council, I am wearing coat and tie because this is a special day.
Wow.
May I request everybody to sing together? Happy birthday, happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Paspas.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Vice Mayor.
How young are you?
Thank you very much. Oh, surprise naman! Wow, thank you very much again. So, this afternoon is going to be Councilor Kenneth's birthday celebration. Karong hapon. Speech sa kuno ka. Councilor Kenneth, mag-speech na ka. Sige, 5 minutes.
Alright. Natin, nani sa birthday guys. Pero bitaw, I thank you to each and every one of you. And ilabi na sa ato ang pinakagwapa nga Vice Mayor sa Cagayan de Oro. Vice Mayor Jocelyn Debot Rodriguez. Happy birthday, Vice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, sa ako to the greeting. Thank you very much. So, it's going to be his birthday treat this afternoon. So, mine will be next week. Ana, sa ang atong tambal, andaman. Anyway, Majority Leader, thank you very much. Your beautiful speech, message this morning. And of course, I'm giving you the floor now for our agenda for the day. Thank you very much.
Maayong hapon, birthday celebrant, our beloved Vice Mayor Bebot Rodriguez, members of the City Council, friends we have in the gallery, people of Cagayan de Oro, maayong hapon sa tanan.
Hapon.
Madam Chair, may I move to dispense the reading of the minutes of the previous regular session of this council on July 27, 2026 and consider the furnishing copies thereof as reading itself.
And a second? Objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Move to approve on second final reading.
Second, objection. Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
There being no special report, Madam Chair, we will now proceed to the business of the day. Item 1, Turks.
Item 1 is proposed ordinance number 2026-356, authorizing the city accountant, the city to charge the sum of 160,252 pesos and 80 centavos from the savings of the herein specified items in the 2026 annual budget of the GR Borja General Hospital, this city, to cover payment of the salary for actual services rendered, gratuity pay, and extra services for the period October 2025 to December 2025 of the herein job order personnel of the said hospital, to wit, 1. Sia Angelica Beth, with an appropriation of 145,293 pesos and 54 centavos, and 2. Idwabi Faith Praise Q, with an appropriation of 14,959 pesos and 26 centavos.
Madam Chair, may I request Councilor Yandam Lim be recognized?
Councilor Yan Lamlim, you recognize?
Madam Chair, I move for the approval of ordinance number 2026-356.
And a second, objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Item 2, move to approve on second final reading. Humana ba?
Wala
Move
pa.
to approve on second final reading.
And a second, objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Item 2, proposed ordinance number 2026-357, appropriating the sum of 146,720 pesos from the item non-office general public services sector, special purpose fund, terminal leave benefits, monetization of leave credits, earmarked for Ms. Jelly A. Pacino, local legislative staff 4 of the Office of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, City Secretary, in the 2026 annual budget to be made available for the payment of terminal leave pay of Ms. Margie Ross Bitoy, former Private Secretary 1 of the Office of the City Councilor, Joylene Mercedes Balaba, whose services ended on April 30, 2026. May I request Councilor Des Dehino be recognized? Wala na. Siya. Sumali. May I request Madam Chair, Councilor Pascual be recognized?
Councilor Antoy Pascual, you recognize?
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Madam Chair. I move to approve proposed ordinance number 2026-357.
And a second, objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Move to approve on second final reading.
Second, objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Item 3, proposed ordinance number 2026-358, authorizing the Honorable City Mayor Rolando A. Uy representing the city government of Cagayan de Oro to enter into and sign the memorandum of understanding with the Institute of Climate and Sustainable Cities, represented by its executive director, Angelo Kairos T. de la Cruz, covering the collaboration of the parties in establishment of a general framework in advancing climate resilient development and accelerating the just energy transition for the benefits of all Cagayanons under the terms and conditions stipulated therein. May I request, Madam Chair, Councilor Enrico Salcido be recognized.
Councilor Enrico Salcedo, you recognize?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Proposed ordinance number 2026-358. I move for the approval, Madam Chair.
Any second? Objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Move to approve on second final reading.
Second, objection. Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Item 4, proposed ordinance number 2026-359, authorizing the Honorable City Mayor Rolando A. Uy, representing the city government of Cagayan de Oro, to enter into and sign the memorandum of agreement, the Department of Health Center for Health Development, represented by Regional Director 4, Northern Mindanao, Sulpicio Henry Ligaspi Jr., covering the collaboration with the parties in the implementation of the Integrated Clinic Information System and local health in the city of Cagayan de Oro under the terms and conditions stipulated therein. May I request Councilor Paulo Nicolo Gani be recognized.
Councilor Paulo Gaani, recognize?
Thank you, Madam Chair. May ngapon sa tanan, no? I move for the approval of proposed ordinance number 2026-359.
Second.
Alert na kayo siya. Any second? Any objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Move to approve on second final reading.
Second, objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
For inclusion, Madam Chair, may I move to include into this session items 5, 6, and
8.
up to 8.
Yes, Councilor Roger Abaday?
May I request, Madam Chair and my colleagues that include this for inclusion, the two resolutions. This was the output of our committee meeting on peace and order and public safety. And a resolution formally requesting our Honorable City Mayor Rolando Clarixoy to request the commander of the 590th Air Base in Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro, an aerial reconnaissance and security augmentation patrol by the use of their aircraft, helicopter, and drones, plus a security augmentation to monitor the areas focusing on defense, public safety, especially during these major activities of Cagayan de Oro Fiesta celebration. Second, Madam Chair and my colleagues, a resolution expressing appreciation and commendation to Colonel Manuel B. Estenilla, who is outgoing today, acting commanding officer of Task Force Oro, for his valuable partnership in the maintenance of peace and order, security, and humanitarian readiness in our city. That's the resolution, Madam Chair.
So there's two resolution added? Majority Floor Leader?
Madam Chair, the first resolution, I think that should be a communication coming from the Vice Mayor to the Office of the Mayor. Because we cannot just order the Mayor through a resolution requiring him to. So can
Diba, ang Air Force is different. They're independent of the they're from national. So it's very, very it's not that we can easily tell them through resolution. Perhaps I do not know whether we have to write through the mayor.
Yes, because the city mayor is the head of the the chief executive who directs the security and peace and order of the city.
Yeah, how
That's why
about our PNP and our army
we have,
that is here in Cagayan.
this was the request of the representative of Air Force during meeting that we will write a request.
Yeah, I think the chairman of the Committee on Peace and Order should go to the office of the mayor and request him to.
This is an expression,
Because-
Madam Chair, of our participation to the city mayor in
This
the
will,
terms of maintenance of peace and order, especially during our Pista celebration.
this
Yeah,
will- the,
But
the,
uh,
the
it's
impression would be different.
yes,
It would seem that
But,
the idea came from us, not
yes. It's better that you tell the mayor to write.
Yes, that's why, Madam Chair, our participation here is, we will request the city mayor because the city mayor does not know yet the request of the Air Force. They need a written request from the
But then we
city.
cannot dictate the mayor. Perhaps you can talk to the mayor and then that urgency, then we can bring it to the session. Eh, murag para na ako nanugo sa mayor. And this pertains also the national, the Air Force, they're national. And we have our PNP, we have our COCPO, we have our army here that we can utilize.
We have no
No.
airplane, they have no helicopters.
It's-
They have
so-
drones, but no helicopter. The helicopter that will recognize during our major activities.
No, we do not know whether the mayor has really done that.
Yeah.
So let's have some respect with the mayor, mayor's office. Let us allow the mayor to initiate the action, not coming from us.
Yeah.
I yield
Councilor
to
Roger.
the
Yeah.
decision of the member of the council.
Okay.
But as far as the second resolution, there's no problem there, Madam Chair.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very
Madam
much.
Chair.
So move for the approval, Madam Chair, of this inclusion
Up to 9.
tonight.
Any second objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Item 5. Oh, item 5.
Yes.
Item 5. Proposed ordinance number 2026-360, authorizing the Honorable City Mayor Rolando A. Oy, representing the city government Cagayan de Oro, DONI, to sign the deed of donation and acceptance with the Philippine Phil 7 Foundation, Inc. donor, represented by its President Reyna Saicon and its Treasurer Lawrence De Leon, covering the latter's donation of 1 unit brand new Toyota Light Ace customized as mobile day care facilities with provisions for educational materials and school supplies as described herein under its Golong ng Katarungan project, Karunungan project, an everyday play project through the City Social Welfare and Development Department under the terms and conditions stipulated therein. May I request Councilor Jing Daba be recognized.
Councilor Jing Daba, you recognize?
Good afternoon, everyone. Move to approve proposed ordinance number 2026-360.
Any second objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Move to approve second final reading.
Second objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Item 6, proposed resolution number 2026-372, approving the supplemental annual investment program number 4 for fiscal year 2026 of the city government of Cagayan de Oro, consisting of priority programs, projects, and activities amounting to 171,755,592 pesos. May I request Councilor Yan Lamlim be recognized.
Councilor Yan Lamlim, you recognize?
Madam Chair, I move for the approval of resolution number 2026-372.
Any second objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Move to approve on second final reading.
Second objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Item 7, proposed ordinance number 2026, declaring the 500 square meter city-owned property, a portion of lot 2607-B-CAD 237 located in Malasag, Barangay Kugman, the city, a site of the proposed Super Health Center, a priority public health infrastructure project funded by the Department of Health and to be implemented by the Department of Public Works and Highways and for this purpose authorizing the construction of the said Super Health Center, Dirat. May I request Councilor Gani be recognized.
Councilor Paulo Gaani, you recognize?
Thank you again, Madam Chair. Majority Floor Leader, I move to approve proposed ordinance number 2026-361.
And second, objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Move to approve on second final reading.
Second, objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Item 8, propose, Turks, please.
Item 8 is proposed ordinance number 2026-362, authorizing the Honorable City Mayor Rolando A. Uy, representing the city government of Cagayan de Oro, to enter into and sign the memorandum of understanding with the herein enumerated participating government agencies and local government units, covering the parties' collaboration in the revitalization and expansion of the Investment Assistance Center under the terms and conditions stipulated therein, to wit, Department of Trade and Industry, Region 10, represented by Regional Director Roel B. Paklipan. Board of Investment, Cagayan de Oro Extension Office, represented by its Chief Investments Officer, Lourdes Ellen N. Cunisala. Securities and Exchange Commission, Cagayan de Oro Extension Office, represented by its Director, Frederick A. Inopia. Cooperative Development Authority, Region 10, represented by Regional Director Aminuddin A. Ilyas. PhilHealth Northern Mindanao, represented by its President Dilio A. Aceron II. Bureau of Internal Revenue, Revenue Region 6, Northern Mindanao, represented by its OIC Regional Director, Helen T. Abelianusa. Pag-ibig Fund, Northern Mindanao, represented by its Acting Head, Assistant Department Manager, Josimar Damay. Department of Labor and Employment, Region 10, represented by Regional Director, Attorney Geoffrey M. Suyaw. Social Security System, Northern Mindanao, represented by Acting Vice President for Northern Mindanao Division, Benigno G. Dagani Jr. FIBIDIC Industrial Authority, represented by its Administrator, Joseph Donato J. Bernedo. The Local Government Unit of Iligan City, represented by its City Mayor, Honorable Frederick W. Xiao. The Provincial Local Government Unit of Lanao del Norte, represented by its Provincial Governor, Honorable Muhammad Khalid Q. Dimaporo. Local Government Unit of Misamis Oriental, represented by its Provincial Governor, Honorable Juliet T. Oy. Department of Information and Communications Technology, Region 10, represented by Regional Director City Rama V. Alawi, and the Anti-Red Tape Authority, Region 10.
Madam Chair, moved by all members present and seconded by all members present.
Any second, objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Move to approve on second final reading.
Second, objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Item 9, Turks.
Item 9 is proposed resolution number 2026-373, commending Colonel Manuel B. Estanilla for his invaluable service to the city of Cagayan de Oro as outgoing commander of the Oro Task Force, subject to styling.
May I request Councilor Roger Abaday, Madam Chair, be recognized.
Councilor Roger Abaday, you recognize?
I respectfully move for the approval of the resolution.
Thank.
Up.
Any second, objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Move to approve on second and final reading.
Second, objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried.
Madam Chair, there being no other matters to take up, motion to adjourn.
Any second? Objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby carried. Session adjourned. God bless us all.
But before we go out, we have give a token of our friendship